Explain to me the sideways slash thing.
You just want to pop, and instead of like landing on an edge, you want to fully just land on the side, but skim.
Right.
You're not trying to like
Jig jab the edges in.
You're trying to come over a piece of snow, totally horizontal, but just grabbing that top layer as you go along.
Okay.
Not making the edges.
Okay. Where
Over
can you demonstrate?
anything that you can
see by those trees right there?
Yeah.
Oh, right in the sun there. All right, so yeah, right there, anywhere is good.
Speed.
Yeah, that I can't do that.